Witchbox spell candles. I don't know about you guys, but these last few days here have been kind of dreary and rainy. It's kind of making me want to cozy up and then also at the same time get out and breathe in some fresh air and kind of get out of my headspace for just a little while. I've decided that the best way to do this is to actually go out and go for a walk. Alright, so this is really telling me to take the time to take care of myself. It's basically screaming it, so this walk will definitely help with some mental clarity. Change my Converse out for some boots because, well, it is a lot more muddy than I thought. Every time I come up on this little area on our farm, I feel like it is kind of meant to be masked or veiled, like hidden away. And in here is a little grove, or kind of like a little kind of tucked away. It just feels magical. I'm kind of low-key upset that I did not bring my staff. Look how cool. Oh, the beauty that is everywhere. The twisting. Nature is so beautiful and so full of art. I wish I really took the time out of my day to appreciate it more. Hunting season has been upon us, of course, so I have not been able to come back. Look how beautiful and braided until rifle season was over, so I'm taking all of this in and loving every minute of it. I have missed it so much, you guys. So much. Excited for Forrest to be off school in just a little bit. We are going to jump in some puddles. Here is a rainy day muddy trick for witchcraft. So not only can you do it in the snow with chalk, you can take a stick of your choice. This is just a random stick I had close to me that actually looks pretty dope, not gonna lie. But you can draw sigils or symbols in the mud. Little man is home. I wanted to bring you guys over here and show you some of these cool stickers. And the reason I am doing this is because I'm going to be making a candle today. and not just any candle, but a magical candle. And the purpose, you ask? The purpose of this candle is to bring creativity flow. It's also a candle that's going to help me connect to other realms. You can definitely hear the dryer in the background. I apologize. But anyways, I am going for Moonflower Nectar for this candle. It is a lovely scent, you guys. It's kind of a blend of English Garden and almost like some really floral undertones. So yeah, let's make this candle. Okay, so while we wait for the candle to set up, I figured we would go ahead and unbox some of those advent calendar items, about a week's worth, because it's really hard for me to post every single week. So this is one of the items I received, and it is Witch's Black Salt, which makes me super happy because you can never have enough protective magic. This here is incense cones, and it is lemon scented, but it kind of reminds me of like a soapy scent as well. And then I received the Druid's fire tea, which smells delicious. So I will probably drink some of that tonight. But look how beautiful. Also, I received a snowflake obsidian, and those stones are so gorgeous. It reminds me of the snow that is going to be coming our way shortly. Of course, they included a lovely card. I just love it whenever they send cards with crystals and herbs. It kind of gives you a little bit more inspiration, and sometimes it teaches you new things. So I love it when I get these. Another item is the Manifestation Money Bag. I love that pentagram. And the last thing that I got was a refrigerator magnet, which I love as a mother. Guys, I love my candle. Look how gorgeous. Before I end this video, I did want to show you guys my new mug that I got from Earthbound. And I will actually put a link to the website in the description if you want to purchase a mug like this. They are so cool. Look at that. That just screamed, "Get me!" Then I also got this. Now, I am not a beginner to tarot, but I thought it would be fun to color. And this is a tarot deck that is blank for you to color with your markers. And kind of like making your own without drawing it out, just coloring it in. It's very therapeutic. I just wanted to show you guys that. It has a book that explains how to read tarot if you're not familiar with it. It says it contains 78 tarot cards ready to color. Maybe soon we will do a video of just kind of like a therapeutic sound therapy video, and I will do some coloring. I just wanted to show you guys that, and I also wanted to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel, and many, many blessings to you guys.